Hey, I am quite sure this will blow your mind. Talk about real superpower. Meet tardigrades, these super small, indestructible creatures. We call them water bears because they sort of look like tiny bears when they move. What makes them truly amazing is their incredible ability to survive in places where most other living things wouldn't stand a chance. Imagine a world that's too tiny to see, where these little creatures, tardigrades, have some incredible talent. Discovered in 1773 by a scientist named Johann August Ephraim Goeze, these water bears can be found in super different places like deep oceans, high mountains, and even freezing Antarctica. But what really makes them stand out is their knack for surviving in crazy conditions. Tardigrades, often referred to as water bears, exhibit an extraordinary ability to survive in a wide range of harsh conditions. Let's go deeper into the unbelievable conditions they can survive. Tardigrades are known to survive in temperatures ranging from near absolute zero, negative 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 273.15 degrees Celsius, to well above the boiling point of water, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, or 100 degrees Celsius. This resilience allows them to endure both freezing cold and scalding heat. Tardigrades can tolerate high levels of ionizing radiation, including exposure to X-rays and gamma rays. This adaptability to radiation is a unique feature that sets them apart from many other organisms. Tardigrades can endure extremely high pressures, reaching levels 6 times greater than those found in the deepest parts of Earth's ocean. This ability makes them well suited for survival in environments with intense pressure conditions. Tardigrades have a remarkable skill called anhydrobiosis, which allows them to survive complete dehydration. They can lose almost all of their body water content and enter a state of suspended animation, essentially shutting down their metabolic processes until water becomes available again. Guess what? In experiments conducted on the International Space Station, tardigrades were exposed to the vacuum of space, along with cosmic radiation and microgravity. Surprisingly, it turns out, not only did they survive, but they also had babies when they got back to Earth. Tardigrades can handle things that would be a big problem for most other living things. They have this cool trick called cryptobiosis, where they basically go into a deep sleep to survive tough times. Scientists are really interested in tardigrades, and you might see them in science papers or even in documentaries. They've also become a bit famous in movies and stories because of their incredible abilities. As scientists keep studying tardigrades, there's a lot of excitement about what we might learn. Could we use their toughness for things like exploring space or even in medicine? Tardigrades, with their unique survival skills, could be a key to some really cool discoveries in the future. In a nutshell, tardigrades are like the superheroes of the tiny world. They are the toughest creatures on our planet.